Class 8. Yes, good morning everyone. Open your notebook and start writing. Answer the following questions. Okay. Till reference to context we completed. Now answer the following question. Answer the following question D. Okay. So everyone open. Why was Mrs. Black uneasy during her train journey? During her train journey. Why was Mrs. Black uneasy during her train journey? So, answer is what? Mrs. Black was uneasy during her train journey because during her train journey because she thought the man traveling in her carriage was a killer. Clear? Okay. Why was Mrs. Black uneasy during her train journey? Mrs. Black was uneasy during her train journey because she thought the man traveling in her carriage was a killer. Describe the stranger sitting across Mrs. Black. Question answer is the stranger sitting across Mrs. Black was a tall, heavy man with dark hair. Next, question number 3 is, how did Mrs. Black feel while watching the man eat an apple during the journey? Describe her experience. So, answer third is what? Mrs. Black sat up when she saw the man reaching into his pocket when he took out a knife and opened it, knife and opened it, and opened it. She wanted to jump up. She wanted to jump up and scream for help. Scream for help. But she was silenced. But she was silenced by sheer fright. When he reached into his pocket, again, she thought he was taking out a handkerchief to put over her mouth. She breathed a sigh of relief when she saw he took out an apple. He took out an apple and began to peel it. Again, listen this question. How did Mrs. Black feel while watching the man eat an apple during the journey? Describe her experience. So, what is the answer? Mrs. Black sat up when she saw the man reaching into his pocket. When he took out a knife and opened it, she wanted to jump up and scream for help, but she was silenced by sheer fright. When he reached into his pocket again, she thought he was taking out a handkerchief to put over her mouth. She breathed a sigh of relief when she saw he took out an apple and began to peel it. So, these are your 3 questions. Now, next question number 4. Now, question number 4 is what? When was the real identity of the man revealed to Mrs. Black? Do you think it brought a sense of relief? It brought a sense of relief to her. So, what is the answer of this? When the stranger got off a train, two policemen who were waiting on the platform platform saluted him and addressed him as inspector, telling him that the chief constable was waiting at the police station, picking up the newspaper, he had left behind on the seat. She saw that he was Inspector Thornton. He was Inspector Thornton of Scotland Yard, in charge of the case. She smiled at her folly and felt relieved. So here your question answers are completed. Here your question answers are completed almost. Now everyone listen this video please. From 20th January your exams will be started. So everyone prepare for that exam. Your syllabus is chapter 1, chapter 2 plus poem plus chapter 3. Is that clear? If by mistake I don't write in 8th class syllabus chapter 1, so please remember that chapter 1 also come in exam. Okay. So chapter 1, chapter 2 and poem and 3rd chapter. Clear? In grammar I gave antonym synonyms also. So all antonym and all synonyms come in exam. So everyone start learning from today all antonyms and all synonyms in exam. Don't ask again and again this type of question that how many synonyms and how many antonyms we learn. All antonyms and all synonyms you start learning from today, and all word file plus all question answers you learn. Don't leave anything, okay? Every question and every word file you learn thoroughly. So start learning from today. Word files are so many and antonyms, synonyms are also many. So please start learning each and everything, okay? Here your 3rd chapter is completed. This will also come in exam. So you all note down in proper way in your notebook. Clear? So your lecture is over today and this chapter is also completed. Thank you and have a nice day.